Embark on a journey across time and engineering marvels, from ancient stone arches to modern wonders of design. Discover how bridges connect not just places, but stories and people. Stay with us as we explore the bridges that shaped our world and continue to inspire the future. Our story begins thousands of years ago, with some of the earliest bridges constructed by ancient civilizations. One of the oldest known bridges is the Arkadiko Bridge in Greece, built around 1300 to 1200 BCE, which still stands as a symbol of ancient ingenuity, measuring 22 meters in length and 4 meters in width. The Ponte Rotto, Pons Aemilius, originally constructed in 179 BCE in Rome, Italy, is another example, showcasing the resilience of early Roman engineering. Imagine standing before the Ponte Vecchio in Florence, Italy, built in 1345. Its medieval arches still supporting life and commerce today, and notable for housing shops that once sold gold and fine jewelry. The Ponte Vecchio is one of the few remaining inhabited bridges, a rare example, with another being the Pulteney Bridge in Bath, England, which is unique for its dual role as a bridge and a shopping arcade, offering visitors a charming blend of functionality and Georgian architectural elegance. Or picture the ancient Roman aqueducts, such as the Aqua Claudia in Rome, completed in 52 CE, a 69-kilometer marvel that brought water to the city, its arches a testament to the engineering prowess of a civilization that believed in uniting its vast empire. Bridges like these were among the first to transform impassable rivers and valleys into paths of connection, facilitating the exchange of culture, commerce, and ideas.
Beam bridges are the simplest type of bridge, consisting of a horizontal beam supported at each end by piers. The Lake Pontchartrain Causeway in Louisiana, USA, for instance, took approximately 14 months to build in its original form, 1956, and was later expanded in the 1960s. Spanning an incredible 38 kilometers, it holds the Guinness World Record for the longest bridge over water, continuous. The weight of the bridge and its loads is transferred directly down to the piers. One notable example is the Rio Negro Bridge in Argentina, which spans the Rio Negro River and showcases the straightforward yet effective design of beam bridges. The bridge shown here, with its elegant curves and expansive length, seems to emerge out of a sea of fog, creating a dramatic and surreal visual spectacle that captivates travelers and showcases the beauty of modern engineering. The Viaduct de Bibreș in Bulgaria, a pre-stressed concrete beam bridge, is another impressive example of this type of design, traversing the Bibreș River in the Balkan Mountains.
Truss bridges are characterized by a framework of connected elements, typically arranged in triangular units. This type of bridge is known for its ability to distribute loads efficiently, making it ideal for long spans. One notable example is the Nashville Bridge in Illinois, USA, which showcases the classic truss design, providing strength and stability while allowing for long spans. An interesting anecdote about the Nashville Bridge involves its critical role in sustaining local transportation during a major flood, highlighting its engineering resilience. Another example is the Matapihi Bridge in New Zealand, which is an iconic truss bridge known for its picturesque views and vital role in connecting communities. Truss bridges are often seen as a perfect combination of strength and visual complexity.
Arch bridges are some of the oldest and most enduring bridge designs. They work by transferring the weight of the bridge and its loads into the abutments through the curved arch. Consider the Pont du Gard in France, built around 50 CE, whose semicircular arches demonstrate the elegant simplicity of ancient solutions. The Rialto Bridge in Venice, completed in 1591, is another well-known example of an arch bridge, famed for its elegant stonework and role as a central crossing point of the Grand Canal. The Puente Nuevo in Ronda, Andalusia, Spain, completed in 1793, is perched dramatically over a deep gorge and has become an iconic symbol of the region, taking over 34 years to complete due to the challenging terrain. The Hell Gate Bridge in New York City, completed in 1916, is an impressive steel arch bridge known for its robust design and vital role in the railway network. Its construction faced logistical challenges due to its location over the East River. The Zezzel Bridge in Novi Sad, Serbia, originally built in 1961 and rebuilt in 2018, is a modern arch bridge known for its striking design and importance in connecting the region. Arch bridges have been instrumental in connecting communities for centuries, and their enduring designs continue to inspire engineers today.
Suspension bridges can be simple, like Tibetan bridges, which are often used by hikers. These suspension footbridges, such as those found in Canada and Switzerland, provide thrilling crossings and breathtaking views, particularly in natural settings. However, suspension bridges can also be much more imposing, like the Golden Gate Bridge, an iconic symbol of San Francisco. Completed in 1937, it was the longest and tallest suspension bridge of its time, standing 227 meters tall with a main span of 1,280 meters. The construction of the Golden Gate Bridge was a marvel of engineering, overcoming strong currents, deep water, and harsh weather conditions, and it stands today as a testament to human ingenuity. These bridges defy gravity and stand as monuments to the ingenuity and daring of the engineers who designed them.
Cantilever bridges are unique in their use of projecting structures that are supported only on one end, which makes them different from truss bridges. Truss bridges use interconnected elements to distribute weight, while cantilever bridges rely on balanced arms extending from piers, allowing them to span longer distances without the need for central supports. We find cantilever bridges, like the Forth Bridge in Scotland, a masterpiece of Victorian engineering completed in 1890 after 8 years of construction. Its cantilever design ensures remarkable stability, even under the weight of heavy trains. Another notable example is the double cantilever Crescent City Connection Bridge over the Mississippi River in Louisiana, USA. Built in 1958 and later expanded, it stands as a vital transportation link for the region. Both examples highlight the ingenuity and precision required to overcome challenging spans and heavy loads. Cantilever bridges are known for their strength and ability to span long distances without intermediate supports.
The striking cable-stayed bridges, like the modern Millau Viaduct in France, captivate with their sleek design and engineering precision, supported by a network of cables that rise like strings of a giant harp. At 343 meters tall, it remains the tallest bridge in the world, with its construction spanning just over 3 years from 2001 to 2004. Another iconic example is the Sunshine Skyway Bridge in Florida, USA, with its golden cables that make it a striking landmark over Tampa Bay. Stretching 6.7 kilometers, this bridge also stands out for its resilience, having been rebuilt with enhanced safety features after a tragic collision in 1980, making it a symbol of renewal and strength. The Russky Bridge in Russia, the world's longest cable-stayed bridge by span at 1,104 meters, is a testament to engineering excellence. Similarly, the Øresund Bridge, connecting Sweden and Denmark, serves as a vital link between two nations. Spanning nearly 8 kilometers over the strait, it rises higher than the natural summit of Denmark, showcasing its impressive engineering. This marvel includes both a bridge and an underwater tunnel, facilitating seamless travel and symbolizing cooperation and connection between the two countries. The Pelješac Bridge in Croatia is another significant cable-stayed bridge, notable not only for its engineering but also for its geopolitical importance. Spanning 2.4 kilometers and completed in 2022, it connects the Croatian mainland with the Pelješac Peninsula, eliminating the need to cross through Bosnia and symbolizing strategic independence and unity for Croatia. These modern designs represent the evolution of bridge engineering, combining beauty with practicality.
The story of bridges is also the story of those who built them, the dreamers, the risk-takers, and the laborers whose sweat and skill brought these ambitious visions to life. The Brooklyn Bridge, for example, is not just a feat of engineering, it's a tribute to resilience, with a history marked by tragedy and triumph. During its construction, the loss of its designer, John Roebling, left the project in the hands of his son, Washington Roebling, who later suffered debilitating health issues from Poisson disease. Remarkably, Washington's wife, Emily Roebling, took on a crucial role, relaying instructions and overseeing the construction in his stead, earning her recognition as a pioneering figure in the project. Their collective perseverance turned the Brooklyn Bridge into a symbol of determination and human ingenuity.
As we approach the present day, we see bridges not just as physical structures but as symbols of our aspiration to push boundaries. The Pont de la Paix in Tbilisi, Georgia, is a stunning example of modern design, with its glass and steel structure illuminated by thousands of LEDs. This pedestrian bridge gracefully spans the Kura River, symbolizing unity and innovation in a city rich in history. A unique feature of the Pont de la Paix is its LED lighting system, which displays messages in Morse code about global peace and unity, a thoughtful integration of technology and purpose. The Octavio Frias de Oliveira Bridge in São Paulo, Brazil, is a unique cable-stayed bridge with an X-shaped design that stands out as an engineering marvel.
If you enjoyed this journey across time and bridges, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more incredible explorations of the world's wonders, and let us know in the comments, what is your favorite bridge and why? Let's keep building connections, one story at a time.